the best tonneau cover for the Jeep Gladiator for the money. Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. That's right, today I want to talk about the best tonneau cover you can get, in my opinion, for the money for the Jeep Gladiator. Now, you may have noticed already, you can see in the shot there, it is a Tyger tonneau cover. Now, as far as the cost, right around 200 bucks, something like that. Pretty inexpensive for a tonneau cover, right? I mean, you can spend thousands on a tonneau cover, you know, the kind that are plated, diamond plated, all nice and silver, chromy looking on top, or you can get them in black, I think. Or the other ones that you can get up there and walk around on and stuff, which, by the way, I've never really understood that. Who's going to be walking around on their tonneau cover? I don't know, maybe if you're a big tailgater or something, you go somewhere and you put some lawn chairs up there and have a couple of cold beverages and maybe even put a grill up on there. I don't know why people do that, but me, I've never really had a need to walk around on a tonneau cover. So I guess if you do that, then this kind probably isn't for you, because it is just vinyl or whatever on top. But other than that, I don't know how you beat this. So anyway, it is a Tyger brand. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out. As far as its operation, well, first of all, the install, pretty darn simple. Not very difficult to put on. I did it by myself. It does help if you have a couple people just to get it aligned. Hard to see both sides of the Jeep when you're trying to do that. But otherwise, something you probably can do yourself. I did. So let's take a look inside. How it's held down are just these little pressure clamps, one on each side. And they adjust in that they turn so that you get them at the right height so that they grab these little brackets behind here. So let's go ahead. We'll pull that one off. And we'll pull this one off. And then they just kind of fold up out of the way a bit so that you can actually raise the top. I'm not going to latch mine. And that's it. That's all you do to hold them down. And then, of course, you simply fold it back. And it folds back twice, so you can expose the bed in case you need to put something bigger in there, let's say. And here you can see the brackets that they fasten down to. These just tighten on here with a little Allen keyed screw right inside here. And that's how you hold these down. As far as putting them back on, or fastening the top back down, I should say, all you have to do, make sure you get the little handles out of the way. Again, they do clamp up underneath there if you want to. I've chosen not to, just so I don't have to do it for the camera. But you just push down, go back over, slide the little groove or the little slot back in, and then just hook it back down or latch it back down. We'll do the other side here too. That's it. Pretty darn simple. Now, you do notice one other thing I want to mention while I've got you here. I did put a board across mine there. You guys can see it right here. That's just so I can put stuff here in the front of the truck so that it doesn't roll back up against the wall there. So I got to kind of crawl under there or have to put the top down to be able to get stuff out that I want. So anyway, pretty quality top. I'm very happy with it. So far, I haven't had any issues with it. I have moved it up and down a couple of times. I have had it out in the rain. No rain or any kind of moisture inside. So kudos to Tyger for having a pretty darn affordable top that does the job. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you have. Are you one of those people that walk around on the top of your tonneau cover? And if you are, why? I'd be curious to know. Really, just curious. Also, if you haven't before and you're interested, little shameless plug, check out my other channel. It is Rob Motive, all about my Toyota Tacoma. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.